Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bianca. So I'm really excited for y'all to see today's video because I am doing some farmhouse, coastal, beachy, nautical decor DIYs, of course, all from Dollar Tree. And it is in a collaboration with LIANEP'S from DIY Beauty on Purpose. So she actually contacted me to do these DIYs and I could not have been any happier because I have never done this type of decor before. So once you're done with my video, please go and check out her channel and video. It's going to be linked in the description box. Even if you don't have any beachy decor and you want to incorporate it in your house, you totally can by just picking up some shells from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to show you how. These are very simple and easy to do, so let's get into the video. For DIY number one, I have 2 oil warmers and 2 bases from Dollar Tree. I'm actually using the oil warmers upside down instead because it has more of a flat surface to glue on the bases. I have been having these oil warmers for a really long time just sitting in my craft closet. So even if you don't have something like this, you can use anything that you have. I'm just happy I found something to do with them. All I'm doing is adding hot glue and then I'm gonna attach the base on top. If you have more time on your hands and you're not making a YouTube video, you can definitely use a more heavy duty glue like E6000. And then you can just leave it overnight and it will have a stronger hold. So I have 2 different sizes right here. That always looks good when you are decorating. Anything in your decor that has different heights always looks good. So for the big one, I'm adding a big candle in that one. And then I'll show you what I'm going to add in the smaller one. I picked up several glass gems from my Dollar Tree. I'm adding both of these in the smaller vase. These are really good and of course it's very cheap to pick up if you are doing coastal nautical beach decor. So you can put these in any type of vases. You can lay them wherever you have the decor, like on a console table or mantle you want to add that type of decor. It would look nice. All right, so here you have it. Again, very simple. I went from not having any type of coastal beach decor to just adding some glass gemstones, the fishnet in the background, shells, all from Dollar Tree. DIY number 2, I am using this galvanized bucket that I have had for years and years. I'm also using these Dollar Tree letters and shells. I'm going to spell out beach, going to replace the E with a shell. And this was something I thought of because when you think about the beach, you think about a bucket and a shovel. And so if you don't have a bucket like this, you can easily pick one up from the Dollar Tree. I've seen many different ones from the summer, and also even when it's not summertime, they have a small 2-pack that you could use as well. And then of course, if you don't like the color of it, you can paint it. Inside of there, I'm adding some shells and Spanish moss. The Spanish moss is from Dollar Tree. What I decided to do was add some grocery bags first, just to give it some height so I don't waste all of the Spanish moss. And then I'll add it to the top. And I'm just gonna fluff that out and then I'll add the shells. I also forgot to mention that I added some fairy lights. I think it just makes it look more pretty. I love fairy lights any time of the year. So I hope you like this one. And now we are going to move on to DIY number 3. I have 4 crates right here from Dollar Tree. As you can tell, they are 2 different sizes, and I did that just because that's just what I had on hand. You can get 4 of the same crates if you want. So what I'm gonna do is glue all 4 of them together like this, just basically making a little shelf out of it. I'm gluing it this way, but you could also turn it around vertically and glue it that way. Another idea would be to add more of these crates to make it bigger or longer. I'm using Rust-Oleum chalk paint and chiffon cream to paint the whole thing. And you probably can't really tell because it almost looks the same. But I am also using this paintbrush that I get a lot of questions about. This is located in my Amazon store. It's really good for chalk paint or any paint. It has very good coverage as well. Before the chalk paint dries, I'm using this territorial beige to distress it, and the reason why I didn't wait for it to dry is just because it's easier for me to blend out the brown. So anywhere that I accidentally put a little bit too much of it, I can blend it out. And I also grab my Amazon paintbrush for chalk paint and go over it on top of the brown paint just so it looks a little more blended. And all I did was add more of the different glass gems, some more of the shells on there, and I also added that fishnet off to the side. If you want to get that coastal, beachy, nautical decor look, it's so simple, you guys. You can just head to Dollar Tree, pick up some of this fishnet, shells, and gemstones, and you can turn any space in your house into that type of style. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you haven't already, now is the time to go check out LIANEP'S channel and her video. Be sure to let her know I sent you over. Remember to give our videos a big thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and of course on which ones you liked best. And as always, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy these type of videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.